This is going to be a video review of the Passus Surge Protector Power Strip. Now this is really unusual. You never see a vertical power strip until now. It's kind of hard to get it into the video, but let's do our best. So what we've got here, two USB ports, 2.1 amps each. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we've got 15 outlets. And the neat thing about these outlets is the way they are positioned. It's really easy to plug in a dongle or an AC adapter, and you don't have to worry about running out of space. Most power strips, the outlets are so close together, you plug something in and you can't use the outlets next to it. So this is a great idea. We've got the power cord that is inside, and it has, what is it, I think it said it was a 5.9 foot power cord. So, oh wow, look at this. This is just so cool. So you spin this thing and the power cord comes out. The nice thing about that is if you only need a certain length for the power cord, you don't have to have the whole thing sitting on the floor. You only take out what you need. So this is just a wonderful invention. It's got a carrying handle. We have on-off switches. I believe that is for each bank. So let's go plug this thing in and check it out now. You can get this from Amazon. It's got a 2,500 watt capacity for all of these outlets over here. 15 outlets, you're never going to need more than 15 power outlets at a time in one location. So this is just a wonderful item. When you press the switch, the LED comes on, and that will give you power on all 4 outlets on that row. So let's plug this in, and we can see that we've got power over here. Plug this in again. Again, we have power. We flip the switch, and the power's off. So if you've got a computer, maybe you want to plug in the computer on one row, the monitor on another row, maybe you want to plug in your cell phone charger on a different row, and you can control the power just by flipping the switch for whatever bank you are operating. And again, we have the 2 USB ports down here that are 2.1 amp. Let's plug in a USB charger now. I've got the USB charger plugged in. A very nice feature, the switch also controls the USB ports on that bank. So we can see that I've got my phone plugged in now, but it will not charge until I flip the switch. And now it's going to show that the USB is charging, as we can see down there. And we also have a little red light over here that shows that there is power to the USB port. Plug it into the other port, shows that it's charging. You can get this multi-function power strip from Amazon by the company Passus, P-A-S-S-U-S. USB ports, 15. That's 15. That is a lot of power outlets. And, as I said, it's on this beautiful carousel, so you only have to take out which size cord you need, and the rest of it is going to be hidden inside the bottom over here. And finally, if that's not enough, it also has overload protection, and look at the outlets over here. Child safety protected. So you don't have to worry about your kids or your pets putting anything into this outlet over here, because it is a safety protected outlet. And you can pick this up on Amazon.